How can you make sure that your flare fittings and compression fittings don't leak? Option 1. Use nothing and hope for the best. Option 2. Use a sticky, stringy sealant that's hard to clean up. Option 3. Use LeakLock Advanced Specialty Sealant. LeakLock Advanced Specialty Sealant will hold up to 1500 psi on compression and flare fittings. It won't gum up Schrader valves like other sealants. LeakLock Advanced Specialty Sealant is a competitively priced and extremely cost-effective solution. It is compatible with all refrigerant oils and will never contaminate a system. It is also temperature resistant and vibration resilient. LeakLock Advanced Specialty Sealant is easy to use, easy to clean up, cost competitive, and prevents leaks. High Side Chemicals saves you time and makes you money.